In this video, I'll guide you through how to group tasks in Microsoft Planner so you can move beyond a huge cluttered to-do wall and actually see how your work is flowing. We'll walk through each grouping option, why you'd use it, and a few helpful tips along the way. By the end, you'll know exactly which view to switch to depending on what you're trying to understand about your project. Let's start with the default view, group by bucket. Buckets are simply custom categories that you create to organize your tasks. Common examples are things like to-do, in progress, completed, or more specific categories such as marketing, design, or backlog. To use this view, look to the top right corner of your plan and select the Group by menu, then choose Bucket. Your tasks will now appear in vertical columns, one column for each bucket you've created. This is a great way to visualize the stages of your work or organize tasks by type. One very handy feature in this view is that you can drag and drop tasks between buckets. If something moves from planning to execution, just click and drag that task card from to-do into in progress. The change happens instantly, and this simple motion gives you a clear sense of movement and progress in your project. Next, I'll show you the easiest way to see who is working on what, group by assigned to. This view is especially useful for managers, team leads, or anyone trying to balance workload across the team. Again, go to the same group by menu in the top right corner, and this time select assigned to. Your tasks will now be grouped into columns based on the person they're assigned to. Each team member gets their own column, making it very easy to see who has a lot on their plate and who might have capacity to take on more. You'll also see an unassigned column for any tasks that haven't been assigned yet, which is a great reminder to make sure every task has an owner. Now, let's switch to a progress-focused view. Today, I'll show you how to use Group by Progress for a quick status overview. This is perfect for daily stand-ups or quick check-ins. Once again, open the Group by menu and select Progress. Planner will automatically sort your tasks into 3 columns: not started, in progress, and completed. This gives you an at-a-glance snapshot of how your project is moving. You can also drag tasks between these columns as their status changes. For example, when someone starts working on a task, drag it from not started into in progress, and when it's finished, move it to completed. It's a simple way to keep your plan honest and up to date. Finally, I'm going to walk you through how to group tasks by labels. Labels are color-coded tags you can apply to tasks such as high priority, client A, or urgent. If you rely heavily on these labels, this view can be incredibly powerful. To use it, open the Group by menu and select Labels. Planner will group your tasks into columns based on the label they use. One important detail: if a task has multiple labels, it will appear in the column for the first label that was applied to it. So if you use several labels on one task, keep in mind which one you want to be the primary grouping. That's all there is to it. By switching between buckets, assigned users, progress, and labels, you can look at the exact same set of tasks from 4 different angles and choose the one that best answers the question you have about your project right now.